Hi, hello, namaste. I'm Siddhartha. Welcome back to the channel. Few days back, I have asked some suggested recipes in Instagram. Out of all the suggestions, some people have asked for pakhada recipe. I think all must know about pakhada, but if you still don't know what's pakhada, then in a short, pakhada is cooked rice in fermented water. So in this video, I am going to share how to make pakhada and how many types of pakhada are there. To make pakhada, we need turani, that is the fermented water. So let's have a look how I have prepared the turani. To make turani, you have to collect the water after cooking the rice. Odisha, we call it as pejo. Now add 1 cup of rice and mix it well. Keep in a dark place for 3 days. After that, your turani will be ready. But to make the process quick, take 1 cup of rice in a container. Add half liters of water to it. Turani, you have to add any one among the four, that is lemon, tamarind, dry mango and curd. All they have their own flavor, you take according to your choice. So here I am adding half cup of curd to the rice. Mix them by using hand and keep in a dark place for 1 day. After 1 day you will see the turani will be ready. Sometimes it happens that unknowingly we cook more rice, so you can add the leftover rice to this turani and eat when you want. It's known as basi pakhada. People are restricted to take basi pakhada, so let's have a look how to prepare the saja pakhada. Take freshly cooked rice in a bowl, add salt to taste, add any one among the three to make the saja pakhada, that is turani, curd as well as lemon. Yes, I am a curd lover, so here also I will go with curd, but it's totally free, you can take anything. Add half cup of curd, wash the container, also add the washed water to the rice. Here our saja pakhada is ready. Make it more tasty as well as this is the mango season. Take any raw or ripe mango, add the juice to the water as well as decor with some mango pieces. And the amba pakhada is ready. The mango season will go, mango lovers, try this for sure. Take another bowl of pakhada, chop some cucumber as well as carrot. Now spread this on the pakhada. With this your fruit pakhada will be ready. The next process, take 1 bowl of pakhada, take the leaves of pudina as well as tulsi. Now spread these leaves on the pakhada. With this the herbal pakhada is ready. Next process, you have to take 1 bowl of pakhada, just add some onion as well as green chili, which is the chief and best, and 90% people prefers this. But not least, if you have enough time, then go for this type of pakhada. It's known as chunka pakhada. If you are going to make this type of pakhada, collect the following ingredients to do tadka. Take a tadka pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. After that, add the taken tadka ingredients one after one. If you have seen my homemade paneer recipe, there I have left some watery milk. Just add 2 tablespoons of curd to it. After 2 hours, your curd will be ready. Add salt to taste and some lemon leaf to the curd. Now dip the tadka to the curd. Wash the tadka pan with water and add the water to the curd. Now transfer the curd to freshly cooked rice. Before going to serve, mix them well. Along with chunka pakhada, we also call it Baisakhi pakhada, as we Odia people whispers this to God in a particular month, Baisakha. If you like the video, then please press on the like button. Even one like means a lot to me. And don't forget to share the video with your friends and family, as the channel is in growing period. Please do support, it's totally free of cost.